and action. Would you look at that? So what happened?
So it broke or cut. Here, I'll show you. So I don't know if someone tried to cut it or it broke. That's a clean cut right there. Turned the corner and it broke. I had to stop, and it's a dog leash to tie it up. So now I'm going to use some baling wire to at least get it off the ground so it's not dragging. So when the weather is favorable, either re-weld it or get it on here. So yeah, let's see if I can get you guys in a position where you guys can see this while I go and fight this thing. You hear me breathing heavy because I already had to fight it once before. Plus, it doesn't help that I'm fat. Alright, let's do this. Okay. That's got to hold. That's got to hold.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Redneck it.
It has to hold for at least a day. So,
Take this all with you. So just in case.
yeah.
Maybe you should grab another toe strap and just ratchet strap that we have and use it instead. You could take the blanket with you so you can take it. Well, it's a holding.
Alright. Time to go back to work.
Yeah, let them know you're running late now.
Yep. Alright, so we got everything to repair this. We're going to do a quick repair. Because when we do a lift kit, we're going to have to cut this off anyway. And do a whole new exhaust. So, since we live in Kansas, this isn't needed. It's we'll get a new one when we do the whole new exhaust. So cat's gonna go away. But after looking at it, let's see if I can get you guys over here. Oh. So it looks like I thought maybe someone tried to cut it off, but if you look carefully, this will focus. It looks like it just rotted off. It looks like cancer. Cancer got the best of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to, if I can reach it, where is it? I'm just gonna straight pipe it. I'm gonna throw this in here, like so, and we're gonna see if we can crimp it down. If not, we'll very ugly weld it down, just enough to make it a little bit more quieter, and we'll see how things work out. Again, this is a very, very temporary fix, until we get the lift kit, and the lift kit requires us to get a new exhaust anyway done to go around the long arms, and so we'll just go to a shop and get that done, and we'll get it done from where it dumps down at the bottom by the trans pan and coming all the way over there. So, and that's not even touching. That's safe. That one ain't going nowhere. But yeah, cool. If anyone you guys know the 90s with Final Destination, if you don't hear from me, it's because that guy. I'm trusting my life to Harbor Freight. Alright, so let's get to cutting. It's funny, you start working on the Jeep and all the kids go away. I guess they don't like loud noises. this is a fast and dirty repair. Because when we put this lift kit on, and do a lift kit on here, all this has got to get redone anyway. I got to cut it.
So yeah, that's gonna be another update.
Oh yeah, but we still haven't bought the lift kit yet. We have the frame stiffeners to put in, but I had to spend at least a day cleaning all of the frame, washing, cleaning, getting it taken care of, and then going in and welding on the frame stiffeners. But it's been, I don't know, 3-4 years since I've welded last, so, and we're in an uncomfortable position, so it's a good thing I'm getting it produced on something that's going to get replaced anyway. Alright, close your eyes.